GS score and Institute for Civil Service UPSC Union Public Service Commission syllabus explained micro topics listing comments update IAS 2026-27 GS score and Institute for Civil Service, your first step towards IAS success, guided, structured, organized, beginners, GS Foundation, achieve full course completion in just 10 months, be fully exam ready by December 2025, coordinates and organized preparation, stay on track with our structured program and complete your syllabus efficiently without compromising on quality. Gear up for success. Complete preparation for the 2026 main by the end of 2025 with confidence and competence. Focus on one subject at a time with a well-planned approach to ensure clarity, depth, and attention. History, ancient history, prehistoric culture in India, source of prehistory, periodization of Indian prehistory, Stone Age, Paleolithic 2 million BC to 10,000 BC, Mesolithic 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC, Neolithic 8,000 BC to 4,000 BC, Chalcolithic Age 4,000 BC to 1500 BC, Iron Age 1500 BC 200 BC, impact of iron, pastoral and farming community, Neolithic phase, Chalcolithic phase, early iron phase. Geographical distribution and characteristic, Indus Valley civilization, Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization, major cities, town planning, Harappan, internal and foreign trade, agriculture, domestication of animals, craft, weights and measures, script and language, Harappan society, Harappan religion, Harappan economy, Harappan burial system, Harappan art and architecture, decline of Harappan culture, Vedic society, original home of Aryan, feature of Aryan culture, Vedic text and Upanishad source for reconstructing Vedic society and culture, geography of the Rig Vedic period and geography of the later Vedic phase, economic conditions, political organization and evolution of monarchy, social organization and Varna system, religion and thought, pre-Mauryan period, age of second organization, formation of state, the 16 Mahajanpad, घना संघ और रिपब्लिक, rise of urban center, evolution of coins, Hayanka dynasty, Shishunag dynasty, Nand dynasty, growth of Jainism and Buddhism, Jainism, Buddhism, the Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta and Bindusar, the Arthashastra, Megasthenes, Ashoka and his successor, Ashoka inscription and sites, Ashoka, drama, Mauryan, administration, economic, society and art, decline of Maurya, cultural history during the Maurya age, post-Mauryan India, BC 200 to AD 300, arrival of Indo-Greeks, Sacs, Scythians and Kusana, commercial contact with the outside world, Satavahan and other indigenous dynasty, society evolution of Jatis, Sangam text and society, schools of art, Gandhara, Mathura, Amravati, imperial Guptas, sources of Gupta rules, political history of Guptas, Fahyan, arrival, Gupta, administration, development of arts and culture, Gupta Empire period of Golden Age, economic condition, urban center in Gupta period, social change या social change during Gupta period. Harshvardhan source for Harsh period early life of Harsh. Harsh administration important official of the empire economy under Harsh Wensang Arable Society region India contact with rest of Asia propagation of Buddhism abroad India contact with Roman Empire trade and Chinese Silk Roads region of Kanishka speed of Indian culture to Asia Sangam period South Indian dynasty Sangam literature South Indian dynasty Chols Chayas Pandey Sangam quality society and culture economy of Sangam period foreign dynasty commercial contact with the outside world a school of art medieval history major dynasty of early medieval India the Pratihars 8 to 10 century the palace 8 to 11th century the tripartite conflict the since 11th to 12th century the Rajput Pallavas Chalukyas Rashtrakuts Indian feudalism administration society and culture economy and the decline of trade regional kingdom Bengali Kashmir Jaunpur and cultural history Chols and other South Indian kingdom Chol ruler and political history Chol administration socio-economics life education and literature the Cheras 9 to 12th century the Yadvar 12th and 13th century contact with Southeast Asia early Muslim invasion the Arab conquest of Sindh Muhammad of Ghazni Muhammad Gauri the Delhi Sultanate 1206 से 1526 AD slave density Khalji density Tughlaq density provincial kingdoms and resistance by Indian chief Syed density Lodhi density attack by Mongols and other Turks administration economy urbanization society and culture, scientific knowledge and legal system, challenge leading to the decline of the Sultanate, Sultanate, Vijayanagar Empire, source, political history, administration, social and cultural life, economic condition, conflict with the Bahmani kingdom, traveler of the period 12 AD to 16 AD, Central Asia politics and the advance of Babur towards India, the Timurid, Uzbek, Timurid, Uzbek, Iran conflict and Babur's advance toward India, a struggle for empire in North India, Afghans, Rajputs and Mughals, a struggle between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur, the Battle of Panipat, Babur problems after the Battle of Panipat, a struggle with Rana Sanga, problems of the eastern areas and the Afghans, Babur contribution and significance of his advent into India, a struggle for empire in North India, Humayun and the Afghans, early activities of Humayun and the tussle with Bahadur Shah, the Gujarat campaign, the Bengal campaign and a struggle with Sher Khan, the establishment of the North Indian Empire, the Sher dynasty, Sher Shah, early life, social and political background of Bihar, and the rise of Sher Shah to power, the Sur Empire 1540 to 56, Survansh, contribution of Sher Shah, consolidation and expansion of the empire, Akbar, conflict with the Afghans, Hemu, a struggle with the nobility, agency, revolt of Uzbek nobles, early expansion of the empire, 1560 to 76, Malwa, Garh, Tanga, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Eastern India, relation with the Rajput, growth of a composite ruling class, rebellions and further expansion of the empire in the northwest, state and government under Akbar, Akbar concepts of suzerainty, Structure of government: central and provincial. The Viklat, the central ministry, provincial ministries, government, district and local government, the working of government, the ruler, land revenue system, the Dahsala system, the Mansabdari system and the army. Akbar religious view, relation with the ulema and social fund. The early phase 1556 से 1576, 1556 1556 to 1703. The second phase 1500 to 73 to 80 1800 या 80. The Ibadat Khan did the bench with orthodox ulama, reorganization of Madad-e-Mas grants. Third or final phase Din Allah state policies and religious toleration. The Deccan and the Mughals up to the Deccani state up to 1595. Mughal advance toward the Deccan. Mughal conquest of Verar, Khandesh and part of Ahmednagar. Rise of Malik Ambar and frustration of Mughal attempt at consolidation. Extinction of Ahmednagar. Acceptance or Mughal. Serenity by Bijapur and Golconda. Shahjahan and the Deccan. Cultural contribution of the Deccani state, foreign policy of the Mughals, Akbar and the Uzbek, the question of Khandar and relation with Iran, Shah Jahan, Gulf campaign, Mughal Persian relation, the last phase, India in the first half of the 7th century, Jahangir accession, his early difficulties, territorial consolidation and expansion of the empire, Mewar, East India and Kangra, Nur Jahan and the Nur Jahan Janata, the rebellions of Shah Jahan and the accompaniment of Mahabat Khan, Jahangir as a ruler, state and religion in the first half of the 17th century. Shahjahan consolidation and expansion of the empire, evolution of the Mughal ruling class, and the Mahabad Mansabdari system. Aurangzeb religious policies, North India and the Rajput War of Succession, religious policy first phase, reform and puritanical measures, temple Jizah second phase, territorial consolidation and expansion of empire, North India, popular revolt, Satnamis, Afghans and Sikhs, branch with Marwar and Mewar, climax and crisis of the Mughal Empire, the Marathas and the Deccan, rise of the Marathas, early region of Shivji, of Purandar, the Agra visit, Shivji Swaraj administration and achievements, Aurangzeb and the Deccani state, Marathas and the Deccan, 1687 से 1707, assessments of Aurangzeb and the Jagirdari crisis, society structure and growth, rural society, town and town life, artisans and master craftsmen, women, servants and slaves, standard of living, the ruling classes, nobility, ruler gentry, the middle the commercial class, economic life pattern and prospects, inland trade, overseas trade, role of foreign trading company, position of Indian merchant overland trade, the Mughal state and commerce trend of India, economy and prospect during the first half of the 18th century, religion, fine art, science and technology, religion, Hindu religion, Sikh religion, Islam, fine arts, architecture, painting, language and literature, music, science and technology, north है या फिर northern Northern India, Northern India in the first half of the 18th century. Bahadur Shah I and the beginning of the struggle for Vijayat Rajput affair, Marathas and the Deccan extenuation of the party struggle for new Vizierat, Zulfikar Khan and Jahandar Shah. The Sayyid brother struggle for new Vizierat. The Sayyid new Vizierat, the Vizierat of M. Amin Khan and Nizam ul Mulk, rise of regional state, beginning of foreign invasion of India. The Maharashtra vied for supremacy, the Marathas and their policy of expansion. The Marathas and Nizam ul Mulk. The Maratha advance into Gujarat and Malwa. The Maratha advance into Doab and Punjab. First phase, second phase, third battle of Panipat. फिर मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री को हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Scenario before 1857, 1857. Later, Mughal and their decline. Regional power in 8th century. Advent of European in India. The British conquest of India. Carnatic War, Battle of Plassey and Buxar, Anglo-Mysore War, Anglo-Punjab War, British administration before 1857, West Snow policy, revolt of 1857, cause for revolt of 1857, leaders of revolt of 1857, suppression of revolt of 1857, nature of revolt of 1857, consequence of revolt of 1857, rally, nationalism, free Congress organization, Indian National Movement 1858, early nationalism and Swadeshi movement, Government of India Act 1909, Home Rule Lagu movements, the struggle for Swaraj, Montagu statements, August 1917, emergence of Gandhi as a mass leader, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement NCM, Swaraj Party, revolutionary terrorism fed to 1920, Simon Commission and Nehru reports, march towards freedom, civil disobedience movements, round table conference, Pune Fact, Government of India Act 1935, Formation of Congress Ministries, Tripuri Session 1939, August offer individual Satyagraha 1941 toward achievement of freedom, popular struggle in the princely state, Second World War and nationalism response, partition of India, rise of communalism, Wavell plans, cabinet mission plans, Mountbatten plans, trends during freedom struggle, Indian Renaissance Society, religious movements, civil rebellions during British tribal movements during British period. Peasants movements during British period. वर्किंग क्लास मूवमेंट्स 1850 से 1900 तक ग्रोथ ऑफ कम्युनलिज्म लेफ्ट एंड कम्युनिस्ट ट्रेंड इन नेशनल मूवमेंट प्रेस एंड एजुकेशन ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश पीरियड रोल ऑफ वुमेन इन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल गवर्नर General of India, Victory of India, important person, important newspaper, general, Congress session, post-independence, consolidation, reorganization and integration of state, constitutional provisional related to state formation, factor that lead to the merger of a state, accession of the princely state, problem with Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh, accession of a state under France and Portuguese, accession of Sikkim, rehabilitation of the refugee federal crisis, regional aspiration, insurance and areas of tension. Accommodation and national integration. Linguistic regionalism in India. Linguistic regionalism in India. Constitutional position and language policy. Language and regionalism, recent controversy due to rise of Hindi language, tribal issues and policy, consolidation, tribal issues and presents tribal policy consolidation, problem of caste and social consolidation, caste practice in India, Ambedkar movement, constitutional provisional provisions, recent government initiative for emancipation of scheduled caste issue of manual Swanging, communalism and social consolidation, secularism, cause of communalism in India, consequence of the communalism and social consolidation, issue of linguistic minorities, operational inefficiency, government initiative. Overview of economic development since independence, planning in India, agriculture journey through 5-year plans, lands reform post green revolution, agricultural issues, agrarian movement, achievements in agriculture since independence, recent challenge, industry, individual development since independence, public sector since independence, sectoral development, private sector since independence, individual policy since independence, Make in India, new economics policy, impact of new economic policy, post independence policy of science and technology, India policy in the field of science and technology, institutional framework for science and technology development, science and technology in pre-reform period, impact of economic reform on the science and technology in India, new policy initiative in the S&T agenda of the skill training, world's history, beginning of modern age. Disintegration of the federal system, Renaissance, humanism, art and architecture, literature, science, reformation, explorations, discovery, trade, colonization, rise of nation state, the English Revolution, French Revolution, cause, the revolution in France under Napoleon, impact of revolution, significance of revolution, nationalism in Europe, rise of the nation-state system, unification of Italy, unification of Germany, colonialism and imperialism, colonialism, the age of imperialism, imperialism in Asia, analysis of colonialism, emergency of USA, foundation of American colonies, the independence of United States of America, the American Revolutionary War. What was the impact of American Revolution? Political effect of the revolution. How did the American Revolution influence the French Revolution? US Civil War, impact of Civil War on USA, global impact of US Civil War, impact on India, World War One, major cause of the war, cause cause of the war, analysis of major events of the war. Consequence of World War One. After month of World War One, plague of nation, Russian Revolution, major revolt events and pre-revolution Russia cause, course of revolution, consequence of aftermath of war, post-Lenin Russia, interwarrior to 1939, the Great Depression and economic perspective, rise of fascism in Italy, rise of Nazism and Germany, Soviet Union, USSR, World War II, foundation of the war, course of the war, after months of war, analysis of the war, decolonization phase, development in Middle East, democratic reform in Middle East, Arab nationalism, Israel, Cold War regions, developments of Cold War 1945-1953 towards extent was there a thaw after 1953 nuclear arms race and the Cuban Missile Crisis 1962 post-Cold War world global issues since 1991 integration of European integration, a timeline, rise of global Islamic terrorism, rise of China, communism, socialism and capitalism, concepts, type and example, communalism, concepts, type, example, relevance of capitalism in present era, socialism and their culture, school, sculptural art in India, sculptural cultural sculptural arts in India Sculpture of Harappan civilization. Sculpture of Mauryan age, post-Mauryan period. Sculpture Jain sculpture Buddhism sculpture Gupta sculpture medieval school of sculpture modern Indian sculpture architecture in ancient India Harappan period architecture Mauryan architecture post-Mauryan period and Gupta period architecture temple of Khajuraho temple of Odisha temple of Gwalior temple of Gujarat temple of Rajasthan temple of Bengal temple of Assam temple of Himachal Pradesh temple of Jammu and Kashmir Pallav period architecture Chol period architecture Pandya temple Vijayanagar period architecture Naka temples of Kerala Vesara style temple Vesal style Rashtrakoot period architecture Indo-Islamic architecture Imperial style Delhi Sultanate Provincial style Mughal style Sikh style of architecture Rajput architecture Modern architecture European influence Indo-Sasanic architecture Post independence period Indian painting tradition of mural painting in India traditional of miniature painting in India painting in the Deccan Rajput school of painting Pahari school of painting miniature painting and South India regional paintings modern paintings contemporary paintings pottery tradition in India occur colored pottery OCP black and red war BRW painted grey war PGW northern black polish war NBPW glazed and unglazed pottery music in India main pillar of Indian music form of Indian music musical instruments institution related to music dance in India concept of dance in India concept of Astha Naika 8 classical dance form in India for dance modern dance martial arts in India consists of martial arts form of traditional martial arts Indian theatre classical Sanskrit theatre regional theatre modern theatre sense of Indian theatre Indian puppetry acting puppet shadow puppets road puppets globe puppets, modern puppetry, world puppetry, Indian China, Indian cinema, cinema in India, history of Indian cinema, classification of Indian cinema film, religion in India, pre-Vedic religion, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, philosophy in India, Bhakti and Sufi movements, Vaishnav Acharyas, metaphysical foundation, other saint of Bhakti movements, Maharashtra drama, Sufism, language and literature in India, Sanskrit literature, Pali literature, Prakrit literature, Tamil literature, Telugu literature, Malayalam literature, Kannada literature, Odisha literature, Assam literature, Bengali literature, Gujarati literature, Rajasthani literature, Punjabi literature, Maithili, Marathi, Hindi literature, Persian literature, Urdu, miscellaneous topics, Indian handicrafts, Indian universities, personalities related to culture, palace of cultural interest, fire and festival in India, cultural institution in India, award and honor associated with the calendar, the eras, science and technology in ancient India, UNESCO list of cultural heritage in India, legal provision related to the protection and promotion of Indian culture and heritage, contemporary issue, Indian art heritage, coinage of India, the legacy of Devdasi tradition, Adi Manav and empowerment of tribal communities, preserving India cultural heritage, the city of Dwarka and Indian ancient maritime heritage, pre-tradition of Indian nature painting, Nataraja statue, Sengol bronze art traditional from Indus Valley to medieval times, social culture, pattern and practice of prehistoric age, painting and pottery, seal of Indus Valley, architecture, Indian temple architecture, enduring legacy of cultural heritage and architectural magnificence, Regional style of architecture, contribution of Rajput Kashmir, Bengal, Kalinga style, etc. Indo-Islamic architecture, the marvel of medieval India, 12th AD, 17th AD, revamped adopted a heritage to program National Mission for Cultural Mapping, Jatan, Virtual Museum, Builder Indian Antiquity, painting and other form of arts. Kannalai painting, Tamil Nadu. Jaya Scroll painting, Nova School of Painting, Gilgit manuscript और चिकी स्क्रिप्ट, फैंगरी आर्टिफैक्ट, वज्रा, उस्ती, कलगा, वागा पेंटिंग, inscription and coin and source of history and culture, significance, Garba, Kamlam dance, Kul Kali dance, Kali dance, Tiger dance, religion and philosophy, Adi Shankaracharya and his philosophy, Upanishad, highest point of Indian philosophical thought, rise of orthodox sect, Buddhism, Jainism and Sajikas, new elements, cults and Teism, Bhakti movement and saints, Brahmo Samaj, Ramakrishna Mission, socio-religious reform movement in 19th century, history through eye of travelers, Ayodhya historical, native Chinese pilgrim travelers to India, all travelers and cultural encounters, historical sites, palace, Khiladi, excavation, Juna, Khatia site, Chebrilu, Smehars, Topi, Kali or had a stone, Sundargarh, natural Ara, Sisupagadh, Chandi, Chandra, K. Tugarh, old first, important cultural issues, them in use, holy language, military system in ancient India, and then child laboria, UNESCO 2023 takes versus Abhilekh Patel, Homo Naldi woman, Oduber, important personalities in news, Rabindranath Tagore, मिहिर भोज, रानी दुर्गावती, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, श्री सैयद अहमद खान, महर्षि दयानंद सरस्वती, श्री अरविंदो घोष, भगवान बिरसा मुंडा, श्री आलूरी सीतारामा राजू, काजी नेचुरल इस्लाम राजा रवि वर्मा, श्रीमाता शंकर देवा, अहिल्याबाई होलकर, श्री नारायण गुरु, सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा स्वामी, सहजानंद सरस्वती, मालती मेम अका मंगरी, ऑरेंज रुक्मणी, लक्ष्मीपति, अशफकुल्ला खान, श्री रामलिंगा स्वामी गर्ल। तो साथियों, आज हम लोग इसको यहाँ तक देख लिए। फिर इंटीग्रेटेड टेस्ट सीरीज, मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम, विलियम्स मेंस, ये सारे चीज़ उपलब्ध कराई जाएगी। ठीक है। फिर आगे की कक्षा में हम लोग सिलेबस जियोग्राफी को देखेंगे। तो साथियों, आज हम लोग इतना ही को स्टॉप करते हैं।